Did you know that every major scientific discovery, whether it's about black holes or bacteria, starts with a set of specific steps? Today, let's break down the backbone of science, the scientific method. First up, recognition of a problem. This is where everything begins. Maybe I spot plants in my garden growing taller than usual. That sparks a question. What's making these plants shoot up? That simple curiosity becomes my scientific problem. Next, I make observations. Using my senses, I check the plant's color, texture, and count how many are growing faster. Observations are either qualitative, like noticing the flowers are bright yellow, or quantitative, like measuring their exact height. Numbers make my observations stronger, but every detail counts. Then I form a hypothesis. This is my best guess, a statement that might answer my problem. For example, maybe these plants are growing faster because the soil has more nutrients. A good hypothesis fits the facts, can be tested, and could be proven wrong. Now comes deduction. I need to figure out what my hypothesis would look like if it's true. So I come up with an if-then statement. If extra nutrients are the reason, then adding nutrients to other plants should make them grow taller too. Time for experiments. I set up a test. I add nutrients to some plants and leave others alone. The results will tell me if my hypothesis holds up. If it doesn't, I try another hypothesis. Science is about learning from every outcome. Finally, results. I gather all my data, crunch the numbers, and maybe make some graphs. Then, I share what I found, writing reports, giving presentations, and publishing so everyone can learn from my work. That's how the scientific method works, in every branch of science. Old theories get challenged and new ideas take their place. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science stories.